Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Affirm app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. So then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Affirm app, just click on it here. Or just click on search, then here add Affirm app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage here. Come to storage list, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. So you go to your Play Store, you click on it here. Then you search here for Affirm app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.